Here I have KYOCERA Torque G03, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for the first thing, you have to remove back cover from this device. You will firstly need to unscrew this bolt here using the screwdriver. I have already unscrewed it, so I can just remove the back cover. Next, you have to remove the second back cover. Next, you have to remove battery. And now you can insert your SD card here and your SIM card here. Just like this, and then put battery back in and cover too, and turn your device back on. As you can see, it requires PIN to unlock my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. And as you can see, there's also a notification that SD card detected, which is the proof that SD card is read too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.